Again, we just finished our meeting and we have this statement coming from the committee through the chair, no? Which we just concluded our investigation on the motu proprio on the failure of Negros Oriental Representative Arnoldo Tibes to return to the country and report for work in the House of Representatives after the expiration of his travel authority last March 9, 2023. The committee has given our colleagues, Representative Arnie Tibes, enough time to comply with a direct order from the Speaker of the House to report for work at once. We also gave him ample time to appear in person before the committee and explain to the House members the valid reasons for his unauthorized absence from duty. Further, we also gave him another chance to appear before the committee within 24 hours starting yesterday, March 20, 2023. The continuing failure of Representative Arnie Tibes to heed the committee order to appear before the panel leaves us no choice but to wrap up the investigation in his case without his valid explanation. The committee has reached a conclusion by a voting of by unanimous voting, and we will transmit and submit our report at once and recommendation to the plenary for appropriate action. In compliance with our committee rules of procedures, however, the committee is not at liberty to disclose to the public the contents of our reports and recommendations pending our submission and deliberation in the plenary. So, ibig sabihin, bukas pa natin malalaman once our report and recommendations is accepted and will be discussed and to be acted by the members of the House during our plenary tomorrow. So that's our statement, and we have here our members of the committee, the Senior Vice Chair, Honorable Vergara, the Vice Chair, Honorable Bongalon, and our members here, Kong Pusita, Kong Nisay, and Kong Peter. So, nandito sila. Our decision from the committee, we cannot disclose our reports, no, our recommendation for the plenary tomorrow until after that the Committee on Rules will accept and present that in the plenary. So abangan na lang natin sa plenary bukas ang recommendation ng ating Committee on Ethics and Privileges. And my colleagues can even answer some other questions if you have, but not related totally on the final recommendations that we have made